Hello my dear students, I Mrs. Supriya Sonone welcome you all to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you mathematics subject of grade 2. So students, in the previous session what we have learned? We have learned meaning of multiplication, addition fact, multiplication fact and addition fact and multiplication fact on number line. So today we are going to learn multiplication tables 1 to 5. So be ready with your canopy textbook, pencil and eraser. Multiplication tables 1 to 5. You can multiply quickly if you remember the multiplication table. So fill in the blanks to get the table of 2. If we will fill these blanks, we will get the table of 2. So students, what is this? Yes, this is a bicycle. How many wheels does a bicycle have? A bicycle has 2 wheels. Okay, 1 and 2 means here is one bicycle and it has 2 wheels. So 1 2 is equal to 2 means 1 2 yes 2. Now here 2 bicycles are here and each bicycle has how many wheels? 2 wheels means here 2 wheels and here 2 wheels. How many total wheels are there? 4. Yes, 2 plus 2 means number of bicycle 2. Each bicycle has 2 wheels means these 2 plus 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 bicycles and each bicycle has 2 wheels means 2 2s are 4. Now here 3 bicycles are here. 3 bicycles are here means one bicycle has 2 wheels, here 2 and this third bicycle has 2 wheels means 2 plus 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. Next, 1 2 3 4 bicycles are here means 4 2s are what? Yes, 8. Next, here 5 bicycles and each bicycle has 2 wheels means 5 2s are 10. Two 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Now here, how many bicycles are here? 6. Correct? Means 6 2s are 12. Here, 2 number is repeated how many times? 6 times. Means 6 2s are 12. Next, 2 number is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means 7 2s are 14. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bicycles are here and each bicycle has 2 wheels. Means 8 twos are how much? 16. 8 twos are 16. Here 9 times 2. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bicycles are here and each bicycle has 2 wheels, means 9 twos are 18. Nine times 2 is here, therefore 9 twos are 18. And here 10 bicycles are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 twos are 20. So we have got the table of 2. See, 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10, 6 twos are 12, 7 twos are 14, 8 twos are 16, 9 twos are 18, 10 twos are 20. Finish. Now next. You can build the table of 2 by adding 2's. If we will add 2, we will get the table of 2. Fill in the blanks. See. Here 2 is there. If we will add 2, these 2 in these 2, what we get? 2 plus 2, how much? 4. 2 plus 2. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Again we will add 2 in this 4. What we will get? 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 4 plus 2, 6. Again we will add this 2 in this 6. What we will get? 6 plus 2, 1, 2. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 6 plus 2, what we will get? 8. Again we have to add these 2 in this 8. Means after 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 2. Again we have to add this 2 in this 10. After 10, count 2 fingers. 11, 12. Again we have to add 2 in this 12. After 12, 13, 14. Correct. Again we have to add these 2 in 14. What we will get? 14, 15, 16. Again we have to add these 2 in this 16. What we will get? Tell me. Correct. 18. And when we will add 2 in this 18, we will get 20. This is the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Done? Now filling the blanks to get the table of 3. This is the homework. Okay? If you will fill these blanks, you will get the table of 3. And this also you have to do at your home. You can build the table of 3 by adding 3's. Fill in the blanks. This also homework. If we will add 3, we will get the table of 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, what? 9. 9 plus 3, after 9 you count 3 fingers. 10, 11, 12. Again we have to add 3 in this 12. What we will get? 13, 14, 15. Again we have to add 3 in 15. What we will get? 16, 17, 18. Again we have to add these 3 in 18. 19, 20, 21. Again we have to add this 3 in 21. What we will get? After 21, 22, 23, 24. Again in 24 we have to add this 3. We will get 25, 26, 27. And last in 27, if we will add 3, what we will get? 30. This is the table of 3. Okay? This is the homework. Now turn the page. Page number 6. Page number 6. Now filling the blanks to get the table of 4. Already we have seen table of 2. I gave the homework of table of 3. Now table of 4. What is this? Yes, this is a flower. Flower has 4 petals. Petals 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Only one flower is there and 4 petals are there. Means 1 4 are 4. One flower is there and it has how many petals? 4 petals. Therefore, 1 4 is 4. Now here 2 flowers are here. 2 flowers are here and each flower has 4 petals. Here 4 petals and here 4 petals. Means 2 flowers and each flower has 4 petals. Therefore, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Here, how many flowers? Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 flowers are here and each flower has 4 petals. Therefore, 3 4s are 12. Here 4 flowers are there and each flower has 4 petals. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Which number is repeated here? 4 number is repeated. How many times? 4 times. Means 4 4s are 16. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers are there and each flower has 4 petals. Means 4 number is repeated how many times? 5 times. Means 5 4s are 20. Here 6 flowers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers are here and each flower has 4 petals. Means 4 number is repeated how many times? 6 times. Means 6 4s are 24. Here 7 times 4 is there. Therefore, 7 4s are how much? 28. Eight flowers are there. Means 4 number is repeated how many times? 8 times. Means 8 4s are 32. Here, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers are there and each flower has 4 petals. Means 4 is repeated 9 times. Means 9 4s are how much? 36. Correct. And here 10 times 4 is there. Therefore, 10 4s are 40. This is the table of 4. One 4s are 4 or we can say 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are 32, 4 9s are, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. This is the table of 4. Next, you can build the table of 4 by adding 4s, filling the blanks. If we will add 4 in this 4, we will get the answer. What? 4 plus 4, how much? 8. Means 4 ones are 4. Here 2 times 4. Therefore 4 twos are 8. If we will add this 4 in this 8, what we will get? After 8 you have to count 4 fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means 4 threes are. 3 times we have to add here 4. 1, 2, 3. Therefore 4 threes are 12. Again we have to add this 4 in this 12. What we will get? Correct. 16. 4 fours are 16. Again in this 16 we have to add 4. 16 plus 4, 20. Means 5 times 4 we have added here. Therefore 4 5s are 20. Then 4 6s are 24. Again this 4 we have to add in this 24. Means after 24 you have to count 4 fingers. 25, 26, 27, 28. Means 7 times 4 we added here. Therefore 7 4s are 28. Or we can say 4 7s are 28. Again we have to add this 4 in this 28. Means after 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Means 8 times 4 added. Means 4 8s are 32. Again this 4 we have to add in this 32. Means after 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Four nines are 36 and 4 tens are 40. If we will add 4 in this 36, we will get 40 number. Okay. This is the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36 and 4 tens are 40. Done? Fill in the blanks to get the table of 5. This is the homework. You have to do same as we have seen, table of 2, 3, 4. Okay? This is the homework. So students, I hope you understood the multiplication table from 1 to 5. Remaining part we will see in the next session. Okay? Thank you. Bye.